The crucial feature of the M264 2-liter 4-cylinder engine from Mercedes Benz is the increased output at significantly lower fuel consumption. In the GLC 300 and GLC 300 4MATIC, the new engine generation is a crucial component for reducing CO2 emissions and is a systematic advancement with regard to lowering consumption. The 4-cylinder engine is combined with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and the 9G TRONIC automatic transmission, which supports both a dynamic and a fuel-saving driving style. An SUV that lives up to its name. As usual, the GLC is convincing on almost any type of ground and in the most adverse weather conditions. The dynamic select system with expanded functions responds to the individual requests of the driver with regard to the handling and the requirements posed by the particular road conditions. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive has also been newly developed from the ground up. The 3-stage design of ESP registered with a wider spread now offers even more dynamics in the Sport and Sport Plus drive modes, once again proving the versatility of the GLC. Refined materials, precision workmanship and flowing shapes, that is what characterizes the interior of the GLC. It is characterized by flowing surfaces in connection with clear lines and proportions. The center console features an elegant trim component that exemplifies supreme craftsmanship, which is available in 2 new wood trims, natural grain gray oak and natural grain walnut. The multifunction steering wheel is available in 2 versions and has been completely revised. Its distinctive spoke design conveys an even sportier character. In addition, its operation of active distance assist is TRONIC and the touch control buttons for controlling the instrument cluster and the multimedia system as well as the acoustic input feedbacks and a clear signal pointing to the future. The user can operate the multimedia functions using single finger and multi-touch control on the touchpad on the center console. It serves as an alternative to voice control and offers the possibility to enter letters, numbers or special characters manually. The touchpad surface not only provides clear haptic feedback, but also acoustic feedback.